Welcome to week 5 of the Great Sustainable Seafood Tour with St. Supery. Today's recipe is a spicy kampachi poke. Kampachi is a very sustainable fish. Its family is the amberjack. It's actually farm raised right in Hawaii. They farm raise this fish. It's very sustainable. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find it here at my local seafood shop. So today I'm actually going to be doing an ahi poke instead. So for this recipe, you're going to need 8 ounces of kampachi ideally, or ahi tuna, yellowfin tuna, amberjack, something fresh, something sustainable that you can find at your local market. Then to this, we're going to add a tablespoon of green onions, or scallions, however you want to call them. Add that. A tablespoon of sweet onion. I'm using a Vidalia. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of a sweet chili sauce. Poke is a Hawaiian term. It means to cut. So poke is a dish that is cut fish served raw or slightly cooked because of any sort of acid or soy sauce or anything that you're going to put into it. But it's mostly served raw and it's very popular in Hawaii. So we're going to add a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. Just like that. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. I'm actually using a tuxedo blend, which is black and white sesame seeds. I just think they look really pretty, but whatever you have, use those. A teaspoon of that goes in. Then a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. I grated mine on a microplane, or you can cut it really small, whatever you got. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of sriracha. I'm using not this super smooth sriracha, the more kind of chunky sriracha, which I like. I feel like it's got extra flavor and a little extra heat. So we're going to do a teaspoon of that. A teaspoon of sesame oil. Then a teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm actually using liquid aminos. It's a healthier version of soy sauce, and I also feel like it's not as salty as regular soy sauce. You can also use low sodium soy as well. A teaspoon of that. And then a little sea salt to taste. I'm just going to do a little bit, or a little bit in my hand. Add that to the dish. Okay, we're going to mix it up. There you go, the dish is complete. This would be great served with crackers, or you could also make it a main course and serve it with maybe some noodles or a nice seaweed salad. This dish is going to pair perfectly with the St. Supery Moscato. I'm really excited to try this together. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to see this recipe and check out our blog, go to broodandboostfood.com. Thanks! We'll cook with you soon.